Hello, I'm going to explain to you what we have here in the farmer's market. I have what I call flavor boosters. Basically, you can use this versatile SuperMix, which is a coconut base, on various bites, various sips. You could put it in your coffee, you could put it in your tea, you could bake with it, you could cook with it. That's the beauty of these SuperMix. The base of them is coconut milk powder and coconut sugar. Coconut milk powder, because of MCT oil, has cognitive boosters. Coconut sugar has lower glycemic index compared to table sugar. So because of that, it doesn't give you that sugar rush, sugar crush. I have three varieties, three flavors. One is cacao cinnamon, one is cinnamon ginger turmeric, and one is cardamom rosemary. Cacao cinnamon has antioxidant properties. Cinnamon ginger turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, and cardamom rosemary has antimicrobial properties. And these properties are because of the spices that I use very carefully for small batches, and I make sure these spices are not fumigated with chemicals, are not irradiated, and they have their bioavailable active ingredients still intact because they are ground much faster. I mean, the turnaround is much faster. The cacao cinnamon is good with coffee. You could put it in a hot chocolate, in smoothies, in milkshake, coconut water. This one is good with yogurt. Greek yogurt is good with oatmeal, with granola. You could put it in your coffee. Also with lemonade, this one's very good. This one is good with matcha tea, with green tea. It's good with pistachio ice cream if you sprinkle it on top. You could mix your goat cheese in this one and use it as a decoration. Put it in a funnel and use it as a decoration if you want. This one you could use with Thai food. This one again with goat cheese is good. Also, if you are a drinker, this one is good with mascamule, and this one is good with cocktails and mocktails. So there is a lot of varieties you could use all of these for. Please come and visit us in the farmer's market, and we can give you a sample so you can try all of them. I want to say this is so far winning the race, and this time this is selling 4 times faster than the other two. But come and try them in the farmer's market, and I can give you a sampler.